This new feature is for backing up your personal edition data only. This feature isn't available in the multi-user edition as yet. Start by going into your settings and bring up your backup. Choose a file name for your backups. So you can give it, this was the file name that it will always write to. Automatic backup is what we recommend, or you can choose prompt for backup on close. Choose the location of your backups. This should ideally be a place off your PC. I've chosen my OneDrive folder here, so it automatically goes off up to the cloud once it's backed up. This is very important because if you leave your data on your PC and you lose your hard drive, you'll lose all your backups. You can then choose an append date to file name or append date and time to file name, which means that it will make every backup absolutely unique. So every time you do a backup, it'll have a timestamp on it. But this will mean that you have quite a lot of backups and you should go through and delete your old backups once in a while, otherwise they'll be building up. Simply say OK on that. Then every time you close your system, it'll automatically back up, as you can see here. And that's it. Once you've set up your backups via the settings box, all you need to do then, once in a while, is go in here to your admin, and you will see backup database and restore database. If you want to do a manual backup whilst you're busy working, simply press that. If you want to restore your database, and be careful when you restore, because you will overwrite your existing data, and if you haven't in fact backed that up, you will lose it. Go into restore, choose restore database. Be aware that the first time you do this, this will be blank. You will need to browse to the directory as you set up in your settings using this and choose the location of your backups. You can stretch this if you want to see the dates. Choose the date of the backup that you want to restore. I'm choosing my latest one and I'm going restore. It will give you this warning. And that's it.